guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute a status on WhatsApp step by step in a simple and easy way. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it opens, tap on the Update Status tab at the bottom left side of the screen. Now, you'll see different status updates on the screen. Swipe the status list upward to scroll down. As you scroll down, you'll find the Muted Updates section. Tap on Muted Updates to open the hidden statuses. Now, long press on the status that you previously muted. You'll see a new option appear on the screen. From the options, tap on Unmute or Unhide. That's it. The status is now visible again in your regular updates, and that's how you can unmute a status on WhatsApp easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.